the Indonesian city of Bogor lies a new energy battery production base. Nickel, a key component for power batteries, is one of Indonesia's greatest natural advantages. The arrival of Chinese enterprises has brought advanced refining and processing technologies, transforming raw resources into high-value battery and fostering local industrial upgrading.
We now supply automakers across ASEAN. By expanding local production and partnerships, Indonesian-made batteries are entering the global supply chain.
I believe Goshen and Indonesia can make green energy accessible and sustainable.
This is the BYD New Energy Vehicle Factory in Thailand. Here we see how Chinese technology is combined with Thai labor, creating new jobs and promoting local industrial upgrading.
Inside, automated robots work with precision, while local workers complete final assembly. Over 19% of the factory's 6,000 employees are Thai nationals, a true reflection of regional collaboration.
This production line is not only about manufacturing, it represents a chain of cooperation and shared success.
These modern production lines are turning the vision of green development into tangible outcomes, making sustainable mobility a shared reality for the region.
From battery production lines in Indonesia to factories in Thailand, and now to markets around the world, we have followed the journey of a new energy vehicle across the Asia-Pacific. And that journey has brought us here to Gyeongju. Connect is one of this year's APEC themes, and this very connectivity reflects what APEC stands for. Chinese innovation and solutions are now helping strengthen regional cooperation, driving a more open, mutually beneficial Asia-Pacific community. 당신 CGTN, Gyeongju, South Korea.